Before buying a dive computer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Cressy Leonardo 2. Let's kick things off with the Cressy Leonardo 2 dive computer. Priced at $224.95, this watch-style dive computer is a bestseller for a reason. The intuitive design really caught my eye, especially the single-butt interface. If you want a simple, user-friendly device that won't complicate your diving experience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Leonardo 2 has adjustable FO2 settings from 21% to 50%, allowing you to customize your oxygen mix for different dives. It also features a clear backlit display, which is crucial for underwater visibility. With a battery life of 70 hours, you won't have to worry about changing it mid-dive. Now, some people complained about the lack of advanced features like wireless charging or Bluetooth connectivity. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out, you probably don't need those extras. This computer is designed to help you focus on your diving without overwhelming you with tech. This is perfect for you if you're new to diving and want something straightforward. Skip this one if you're looking for a computer packed with high-end features. For the price, you really can't go wrong with the Leonardo 2. Now, if the Leonardo's simplicity doesn't quite fit your needs, the next option might be just what you're looking for. Product number 2, Shearwater Peregrine. Next up is the Shearwater Research Peregrine, priced at $580. This dive computer blew me away with its sleek design and vivid 2.2 LCD display. If you want a dive computer that feels premium and offers multiple gas settings, this one is definitely worth a serious look. Why is this important? The Peregrine supports multiple dive modes like air, nitrox, and even 3 gas nitrox, making it a great choice as you progress in your diving skills. The 2-button interface is simple to navigate, and the wireless charging means you won't have to constantly replace batteries, which is a huge plus for convenience. It has a stellar rating of 4.7 stars from nearly 500 reviews, indicating that users love it. Now, some users mention that the price is a bit steep for beginners. Here's the thing though, investing in a quality product early on can save you from frustration and potentially unsafe situations later. If you plan on diving regularly and want something that grows with you, this could be a great investment. This is perfect for you if you're committed to getting serious about diving. Skip this one if you're still unsure about how often you'll dive. While it's pricier, the quality justifies it for more serious divers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for versatility. Product number 3, Cressy Donatello. Now let's talk about the Cressy Donatello wrist dive computer, priced at $299.95. The compact design really stands out, and it's perfect for divers who want something light and easy to use. If you're after practicality and a high-definition display, this is worth a serious look. With adjustable settings for deep stops and measurement units, it adapts to your preferences. It also has a solid battery life with a replaceable CR2430 button battery, which is great for reliability. With a 4.4-star rating from nearly 600 reviews, many users have found it dependable. Some users pointed out that the display could be hard to read in low-light conditions. Plus, its compact size makes it easy to wear and carry. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, user-friendly computer for casual dives. Skip this one if you prefer a bulkier design with more features. It offers great value for the function it provides. Now, if the compact design doesn't suit your style, our next option is quite the step up. Product number 4, Garmin Descent G2. Next, we have the Garmin Descent G2, which comes at $699.99. This watch-style dive computer has a stunning AMOLED display and supports multiple dive modes. If you want a feature-rich dive computer that doubles as a smartwatch, this is worth a serious look. Why is this significant for you? It also allows you to track your activities and health metrics, which is fantastic for those who want to stay fit while enjoying their dives. You can store up to 200 dive logs, keeping your diving history organized. With a 4.6-star rating from 99 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its multifunctionality. Now, some may find the price a bit excessive, especially if they're just starting. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who values advanced features and wants to track your fitness alongside diving, the investment could be worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you're a tech-savvy diver who wants a multifunctional device. Skip this one if you're looking for something basic to start with. It's definitely an investment, but you get a lot of features for your money. Now, if you need something more budget-friendly without sacrificing quality, the next product is a strong contender. Product number 5, Garmin Descent G1. Finally, we have the Garmin Descent G1, priced at $449.99. This rugged dive computer is packed with features and has a monochrome display that's easy to read. If you want reliability and durability without breaking the bank, this one's worth a serious look. Its 100 water rating means you can dive with confidence, and the ability to store 200 dives is perfect for tracking your progress. Plus, with a battery life of up to 25 hours in dive mode, you won't be left in the lurch. It's rated 4.6 stars from 165 reviews, showing it's well received. However, some users felt the monochrome display is less vibrant compared to color displays. But I'll be real with you, if you prioritize function over form, this shouldn't deter you. It gets the job done effectively. This is perfect for you if you want a solid, reliable dive computer without the luxury price tag. Skip this one if you prefer more advanced display options. For the features offered, it's a great value. To wrap things up, each of these dive computers has its own strengths. Cressi Leonardo for simplicity, Shearwater Peregrine for advanced features, Cressi Donatello for compactness, Garmin Descent G2 for tech-savvy divers, and Garmin Descent G1 for reliability. Choose the one that best fits your diving needs. So there you have it. The Cressi Leonardo 2 offers simplicity, the Shearwater Peregrine gives you advanced features, the Cressi Donatello provides compactness, the Garmin Descent G2 is perfect for tech lovers, and the Garmin Descent G1 delivers reliability. Choose based on what fits your diving style and needs best.